Hey y'all, Carter Crowley here with CB Home Solutions, and today we're going to be discussing selling a home with mold in it in Appleton, Wisconsin, or any of the surrounding Fox Valley communities. So what do you need to do when you have mold in your house and you're looking at selling the property or you're looking at renting it out, something along those lines? What are your options? First things first is it severe black mold, or is it just kind of the mold mildew that's pretty much in every single house nowadays? Just because of the moisture in there, we're in Wisconsin, everything like that. That's what you need to determine. Black mold is a significant health concern. You will get sick from it, and it starts to form in areas that have constant seepage or moisture issues. So first things first, you can either get a mold test, which you can buy online, or have someone come out from a professional company and do a mold test to tell you what type of mold it is. Is it severe to your health, or is it a health concern, etc., something along those lines, or is it just something that you can treat with bleach or one of those mold stopping things that you might buy at like Menards or Lowe's or Home Depot, something along those lines. So test the mold, see what it is. Definitely get a professional's opinion on it. But how do you actually sell a house with mold? Because everything always has to be disclosed. You need to disclose if there's been mold in the house, if there currently is mold in the house, or if there's a current moisture stain that will result in severe mold given a amount of time with heat and moisture and everything like that. That is where and how mold forms. So that's kind of the thing. So disclosures need to be made if you are aware of it. And when you're looking at selling, in most cases, if you are putting the house on a traditional path, if you're listing on the market with a realtor, you have to have the mold remediated beforehand. So there is no concern. So the buyers or the end buyers are 100% safe, happy, healthy in the home, and you are not liable for anything. So you need to have it remediated, and then you need to disclose the remediation to any potential or future owner of the property, meaning it has to be listed in the condition report and all those sorts of things. So selling a home with mold can be a significant concern to any new buyer. However, if you sell it to a We Buy Houses company in the Appleton area or any of the Fox Valley, we're going to buy the house as is. In most cases, if we buy a house with mold in it, we rip out the drywall, we rip out the 2x4s, we spray and have a mold remediation company come in and remediate the issue, and then everything's brand new, because we do not want to take any chances that the mold will come back in the future and harm the future inhabitant or the future owner of the property. So when we buy it from you, you don't need to worry about anything. We'll take it in its current state. You don't need to worry about the cost of mold remediation. You don't need to worry about making a disclosure. Of course, we would like to know if there is mold, but we'll eventually find it if need be. And that's kind of the benefit of selling a house with mold to a We Buy Houses company like our own. We make the process simple and easy, take the stress off of you, the property owner, and you can sell a home with mold in as little as 14 days or basically upon your schedule. But ultimately, if you're going the traditional route, get it remediated, have it done by a professional, and disclose. Everything needs to be disclosed, because you don't want a lawsuit in 1 to 2 years' time when the new homeowner finds that there was or is mold in the property. But if you guys want an as-is cash offer for your property, you want to consider selling a home with mold in it to a We Buy Houses company like ourselves, fill out the form down below. I'll be the one to reach out to you, have a brief conversation, and see if we can help out at all. Thanks so much, and have a great day.